What I like about my plumbing program, it helps me get to more experiences that I can know to grow myself as owning my own business in life. The quality of the plumbing program meets my expectations because it helps me to gain things that I couldn't have gained on my own. I got the experience to understand how to fix on water appliances and so forth, and tools that I never used before.
What I like about the plumbing program is the different plumbing knowledge that I am receiving and the plumbing tools training to become a journeyman, plumbing to install, and plumbing system. The plumbing program is a great quality program to grow into because this program is very needed much in today's time. This plumbing program changed my life because I never know I could become a mechanical inclined to install my own plumbing into my own home and my family and my friends.
My professor gave me the experience that I needed to know throughout my plumbing class.
My professor gave us a quality information on how to speak with technical terms into plumbing.
He helped me and showed me how to do things at a steady pace.
He's very knowledgeable and organized in the different type of plumbing system.
He helped me to explain things and keep things going as far as me not giving up on myself.